If you are wondering if Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is waterproof, then the answer seems to be at least partially yes. We do have IP rating 68 according to this paper that comes with the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, at least I believe in Europe this is what we get. And over here we can find out that we do have IP68 rating, which means that the phone is to some degree water resistant and dust tight, of course. And apparently it should be immersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, which of course it is something that I do not really recommend you testing by yourself, because usually these tests are performed in controlled environments and, you know, this is how it looks like. But also what is quite interesting is that if you find this piece of paper that comes with the phone, then over here we can find out that we have IP66/IP68 rating, which means that the phone still is dust and water resistant. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.